Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome language. So guys, if you want to change Google Chrome language, so very easy. Firstly click on three dots. After click on settings, scroll down, click on advanced, and here click on language, and here click add language. This is list of language. Click on checkbox. After click on add. There is. After you check, so click on three dots. After click on settings, that is, so selected language of Albi. If you want to remove, so click on checkbox, click on remove. So remove Albi language. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change Google Chrome language. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.